YouTube, what's up? It's your boy WAVEMANMIKE, and in today's video I'm gonna be talking about a topic that I've been thinking about making this video about this topic for a while now. I made a video on a similar topic, which is about the same general idea, right? But never really on this topic. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into that right now.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy WAVEMAN.
Hey, yo, what's up, man? It's your boy 3 Top for me.
Hello, Wave family. It's me, 3WP Rashad.
Make sure everybody go check out WAVEMANMIKE.
Make sure you guys go ahead and check out WAVEMANMIKE.
Make sure you guys check out WAVEMANMIKE on YouTube.
I just want to give a special shout out to my fellow coarse hair waver, WAVEMANMIKE,
Right now, man. Everybody go check out WAVEMANMIKE right now.
for providing valuable tips to the wave community all over the world.
Right now.
Make sure I show his channel some support and love. Deuces.
You should already know what the topic is. I mean, you clicked on the video, so you probably saw the title and you saw the thumbnail. So the topic of this video is how to wolf longer. You could do this thing many different ways. Well, not different ways, it's always the same way, but with different items, and it will produce different results. This thing that I'm talking about is brushing your hair. So when you're wolfing, it's not like other methods where you only use like a soft brush or something like that, or like when you're trying to get deep waves, you only use a hard brush. You know what I mean, right? But when you're trying to wolf longer, you want to use a hard brush, a medium brush, and a soft brush. I mean, you don't really need the medium brush. As long as you got the hard brush and the soft brush, you should be all right. Or maybe a medium brush and a soft brush if you can't use a hard brush because your hair is like too tender. Is that what it's called with hair? Like when you can't take pain or something like that? Is this like tender-headed? I don't know. It's one, I think it's some word to begin with a T. Something like that. But yeah. Alright, so the reason why you want to get a hard brush is because with the softer your brush is, the harder it's going to be to maintain and move your hair at these longer lengths. So when you start using a harder brush, it becomes easier. So whenever you put in a brush session, you always want to just really go in with the hard brush, or the hardest brush you can like handle without it starting to hurt. You know what I mean? If the hardest brush you can use is a medium brush, by all means go ahead, use a medium brush. You don't have to use a hard brush if your head, you know, starts hurting when you use a hard brush. So go ahead, do a brush session with the hard brush. Now the reason you need the soft brush is because you need to lay your hair back down after you just use that hard brush. A hard brush definitely isn't going to lay your hair down. In fact, it picks your hair up in most cases. So a soft brush is really gonna lay your hair down. It's what a soft brush does for the most part. Especially when you're wolfing, you really need to lay your hair down before you put your do-rag on. But brushing with a soft brush really, you know, it's not all that you can do. It's not the last step. The thing that really seals in that work that you just put in, you want to go ahead and grab a plastic bag, preferably something like this, like a Ziploc type bag. Yeah, something like this. You want to get this and just, you know, rub it on your head in the same way that you will brush your hair. Do that for maybe about 5 minutes. You could do more if you want to get more results from it. And you want to do that before you put on your do-rag, because you want your hair to look as nice as possible before you put on your do-rag. Because the nicer your hair looks before you put on the do-rag, the better it's gonna look when you take off your do-rag. So if your hair looks like a 4 out of 10 when you put your do-rag on, it's probably gonna look like a 5 out of 10 when you take your do-rag off. If it looks like a 9 out of 10 when you put your do-rag on, it's probably gonna look like a 10 out of 10 when you take your do-rag off. I almost dropped my camera, my tripod, and my mirror at the same time. I caught it though. So, you know, I'm the GOAT. Okay, so another method for getting your hair to be able to wolf longer is doing the washing style method. If you don't know what the washing style method is, oh wait, before I go into that, I also want to bring up the point that I made a video on the plastic bag method before, so you can go ahead and check that video out. I'll probably like leave it in the description or something like that. It might be a pop-up on the screen, I don't know. Did I do a plastic bag method video? I think I did. If I did, I'll leave a link. But yeah, like I was gonna say, if you don't know what the washing style method is, it's basically you wash your hair, but instead of just, you know, rinsing out the do-rag, you wanna rinsing out the do-rag. Instead of rinsing out the shampoo, you want to put your do-rag on before you rinse that out. I made a video on that too, so you can go check out my washing style method video. I actually made 2 videos on that. It's actually the same video, but one's like a longer version of the other one. Like at first I released a really long version of it, and then I released a shorter version of that same video right after it. So you can go check that video out, check both of those videos out if you want to. That's really gonna help you out with your washing style method, and the washing style method is gonna help you out with wolfing longer. So I should probably answer the question of why you would want to wolf longer, and that's basically because wolfing has so many benefits when you're thinking about waving. The longer you wolf, you can get more things done. Like some people wolf for different reasons. Some people wolf for connections, they wolf to make their waves deeper. There's many different reasons why you may be wolfing. So yeah, you might want to connect the top waves to the side waves, but there's that little area that never connects. When you wolf, it's gonna help you connect those areas. Maybe you got a fork somewhere in there. When you wolf, it's gonna help you push that fork out. So wolfing is I would say it's pretty important. Some people don't really wolf, some people don't wolf at all, and they find that not wolfing works better than wolfing. But it really depends on you. It's a very not personal, but it's, you know, I don't know, everybody's hair is different, you know what I mean? So see what works best for you. I hope this video really helped you out. If you have a topic of what you think I should do my next video on, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. Y'all, you know, y'all slacking on the comments, but go ahead, leave a comment down below what you think I should do. Also, if I missed something in this video, make sure to comment that too. Oh wait, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is WAVEMANMIKE, same as my YouTube name, but it doesn't have spaces. So WAVEMANMIKE. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm WAVEMANMIKE. Enjoy your day.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy WAVEMAN.
Hey yo, what's up, man? It's your boy 3 Sisters Top from me.
What's up, Wave family? It's me, 3WP Rashad.
Make sure everybody go check out WAVEMANMIKE.
Make sure you guys go ahead and check out WAVEMANMIKE.
Make sure you guys check out WaveManMike on YouTube. I just want to give a special shout out to my fellow coarse hair waver, WaveManMike.
Right now, man. Everybody go check out WaveManMike right now.
For providing valuable tips to the wave community all over the world.
Right now.
Let's get it. Make sure I show his channel some support and love. Deuces.